Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. This one features a 3.6 liter V6, made it to the 9-speed automatic, finished here midnight blue metallic over dark galvanized and light shale, for a total price of $54,683. Nice and it is a 3-row. Look at that. I didn't think they still made the 3-row Acadia. Yes. Nice. I am a lot happier now. I've always had a soft spot for these, based on the same platform as the Chevy Blazer, which is still awesome, featuring a 300 horsepower V6. I mean, what else could you possibly want? Ventilated seats, air conditioning, comfort. We don't have downhill descent control, do we? No. Alright. Wasn't sure what the deal was. Virtual rear view mirror as well. Sunroof. Which, ready? So you can tell, I mean, the one difference with a V6 versus, let's say, the 2.0 turbo, it takes a little bit for the power to kick in. I mean, I'm not talking, takes forever. Oh, it's so slow until you hit 7,000 RPM. What's this red line? Yeah, just shy of 7. But, whereas you have the turbochargers around town in parking lots like this, it's just poof, takes off. Not complaining though, because if I had a choice, I would go V6. Sounds better, much more linear power band. Just overall a better experience in my mind. overall, man, the Acadia, it's an awesome car. SUV. Just nice to drive, very luxurious. For the price point, very, very nice materials. I can't complain. I honestly can't. I could if I wanted to, but I can't, so. I'm not gonna sit there and talk about little nitpicky things that don't matter in the long run, so. This thing's just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.